Now in this video we will talk about future value. Now what we mean by future value is, let's say we have a scheme wherein we are asked to invest $1,000 every month into a bank, and bank is paying us around, let's say 12 or 10% or 9%, 8% return on that. So what should I get after 2 years? Okay, so I am investing, let's say $1,000 every month for 2 years. So basically it will be $24,000 which I have invested. Now bank is paying me a interest of, let's say 4.2. We keep it as it is, no issues. It's a hypothetical example, so we can take any percentage. Now what will be our actual future value after 2 years? So we will do it 2 years. Now here we are going for month. Okay, for future value equals to FV tab. First thing is rate 4.2% upon 12. Okay, because we are going for monthly basis in this example. In the previous example we took on yearly basis. Okay, now our payment period is B15 but into 12. Now our monthly installment, what we are trying to invest every month, is $1,000. So let's say I keep 1,000 here. Okay, 1,000 here, and it will be, let me exit out first, B13. Okay, now our present value, we don't need to specify this, so we can simply keep it 0, and again type 0 if it's the end of the period, 1 if it's beginning of the period. Let's say at beginning of every month we are paying this, so let's keep it for 1, bracket and enter. So see, we have invested 24,000 but we are actually getting 25,078. So there is a benefit of $1,078.73. Okay, so in this way we can calculate, use this function future value to calculate future value of any our installments and all.